Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD market trading at 1.0956. This is the current market price of Euro USD. And as you can see that since morning gold, Euro USD all are going down, and the reason is the bullishness on DXY. But if you have watched my previous videos on USD pairs, then you know that overall DXY is very bullish. But if we look at the present trend of DXY, we can easily see that DXY is sideways. DXY is bullish after the market opening, but you can also see that DXY is also approaching the resistance zone here. And if DXY approaches the resistance zone, then obviously DXY will face selling pressure around 99.50, 99.30. There will be some selling pressure. And if DXY reverses from the resistance zone, we will also see recovery on Euro USD as well. Right now DXY is bullish and will remain bullish, but do not forget that DXY is also approaching the resistance zone. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so keep your eyes on DXY. Today DXY is again back in action, and it's important to keep your eyes on DXY for the day. Okay, and if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then overall the setup on Euro USD has not changed at all. Right now the Euro USD is standing at the minor support. Yes, the minor support that I have been talking whole week. This is the minor support here, and if you remember correctly, then on Monday also I told that market has already tested the support 3 times. So yes, there is a possibility that market may break also in the 4th or 5th time. This is the 4th time. I was not expecting the same thing to happen on Monday, but yes. But I think that there is a possibility that market will try to bounce from here. But in case the present support here fails to provide support to the market, and if the selling continues, DXY breaks, not breaks, DXY continues to be bullish, then ultimate support on Euro USD will be around 1.0900 or 1.0910. Around this level you can expect Euro USD to get support again. See, if market breaks this level, after that we do have few minor support, but to be honest, I will suggest you not to go for buy at those levels, because see, as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler, and a trader only trades when the time is right, when the opportunity is right. Okay, if market bounces from here, when DXY will reverse, you can go for a buy. Okay, otherwise if market breaks also this level, it is better to go for a buy around this level only. This will be the best level, 1.0910 to 1.0900. Why this level is important? Because this level is from the weekly chart, and I have already discussed in detail in my previous videos as well. And just make sure that you also mark this level as well. This is the lowest point on the chart of Euro USD, and this is the most important and the strongest support on the chart. See, just look at this selling pressure here. Okay, and just imagine, the power of the support, power of this support, which could hold this kind of selling pressure. So in case market faces selling pressure again, don't you think the big boy, the big player present in this level will provide support to the market again? Obviously he will provide support to the market again. Obviously he will try his best to bounce the market again. So as a result, this level 0.0900 is the most important level, as well as this is the strongest level in the chart. But as of now DXY is very strong, so yes, watch the market now. Do not buy immediately, because see, DXY still has a room. Yeah, you must consider that DXY still has a small room here. Okay, so if DXY continues to remain bullish, then obviously Euro USD will break the present support and go down. So no need to rush Monday mornings are dangerous and slow. Okay, usually, so no need to rush. Okay, do not panic. Okay, so whole week is coming, so be ready. Okay. And one more thing, as you all know that I have launched the world's cheapest signal service. I have already mentioned the reason in the website, as well as I have already mentioned the reason in the channel as well. So if you are interested, then please check out the link in the description. And if you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, or as a full-time profession, or as a serious source of income, then I have also launched the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to learn, then yes, you can check out the link in the description. I have mention everything, why I have come up with the idea, what I'm teaching, what you'll be learning, everything. Okay, so if you're interested, please do check out the link in the description, and please follow proper risk management. See, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. It's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. So as I say, be a trader, not a gambler. So bye bye, take care.